What's up, you guys? It's me, man, coming to you once again. But this time, I know, right? What am I wearing? What am I doing? I'm always working, man. I'm a semi-retired gentleman that got back into work, and I seem to be able to get both done as I'm doing now. So back to the once a week and my book club, which is referring to this book here, the YouTube formula. So a brief synopsis. Started my channel. Really, I started a book. I wrote a book and I needed a channel to support it. And one of the best marketing techniques used these days, as I mentioned before, is that YouTube is there. Inevitably, I've ended up here to promote my book and put it out as an individual, as an entrepreneur. And that being said, let's talk about the book. The gentleman that wrote the book, straightforward, really simple and easy to follow his flow, man, which tells me, and this is very important and my perception of him is that he's authentic. So this book, if you ask me, is written by someone who's authentic, right? His name is Darrell Eves. He almost comes across slightly whimsical, as if telling a story. And that's exactly what he decided to do, put his book in a storytelling form. So, introduction, it's literally about access. He had a father, he had support, he had a community and an economy built already for him to be able to explore. It wasn't easy for him, and it won't be easy for you, and I'm sure it won't be easy for me either. That being said, it can be done, and the process that he followed was simply one of discovery. He started a business and he got to work at it, and he had to figure it out. He had a father to bounce things off of, and then he met someone older in a store that had a business, which helped him launch his ideas for YouTube. And that's the beginning of him, Darrell Reeves. And his chapter 1, he talks about the history of YouTube, and it's quite insightful. So not too much excitement there other than learning about the history of it. And if you're going to be involved in something, learn the history of it. You must learn the history of it, right? It just makes you more powerful, more insightful, better to read the tea leaves, so to speak. So that's what I got from this. I'll be moving on. I believe it's first, the chapter 2 is about, it gets into the nuts and bolts, and we'll be talking about the algorithm. All right, that's when I start my work. All right, I'll let you know what I'm doing and why. Peace. The book of the month, y'all.